To get started with Authorize Net Hosted Payment Form, first understand what it is and how it works. The Hosted Payment Form is a secure payment gateway that allows customers to enter their payment information on a form hosted by Authorize Net, rather than on your website. This reduces your PCI compliance burden and provides a secure payment experience for your customers. Next, sign up for an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your requests to the Authorize Net API. Once you have your credentials, you can begin to set up your hosted payment form. To set up the hosted payment form, you will need to create a payment form token. This token is used to identify the payment form and is required to redirect the customer to the hosted payment form. You can create a payment form token by sending a request to the Authorize Net API with your API login ID and transaction key. After creating the payment form token, you can redirect the customer to the hosted payment form by sending them to the Authorize Net payment form URL and including the payment form token as a parameter. The customer will then be able to enter their payment information on the secure hosted payment form. Once the customer has entered their payment information, Authorize Net will redirect them back to your website with a response token. This response token can be used to retrieve the result of the payment transaction, including whether the payment was approved or declined. To ensure a seamless payment experience, make sure to test your hosted payment form thoroughly. Test different payment scenarios, including approved and declined payments, to ensure that your system is handling the responses correctly. In addition to testing, make sure to follow best practices for security and PCI compliance. This includes using HTTPS to encrypt the payment form token and response token, and storing the response token securely. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers using the Authorize Net hosted payment form. This will help to increase customer trust and reduce the risk of payment disputes and chargebacks.